as it is very important to go ahead and start organizing your evolved online learning environment, where the Google site is not anymore just a repository of YouTube videos, documents, and some quizzes or some other information. I would like to show you how we're going to work with the Google Drive. I have already shown to video one that you can do the same with the OneDrive, but at this stage I'm focusing on the Drive, and we're going to discuss later for the OneDrive. I'm talking now for the Google Drive. Okay, so that most of you have the ability to access Google Drive. If you don't know how to, I'm going from scratch. You go and type Google Drive. This is not happening here because I've already downloaded, but you can click Google Drive download, and you will be diverted or find, if you avoid ask, something like this, a Google Drive download, which is actually a free cloud storage. So Google, for some reason, because they have a lot of money probably, they give us free space. It's not your USB anymore, it's not your hard drive, it's your cloud drive. And this one is called Google Drive because there is OneDrive or SkyDrive or other drives. And as we said, it's a huge fight there. Of course, we understand that Google makes money, and they don't make money because we pay for the storage. Although if you try to grow, and for example, I'm growing, so now I need to buy space. But at the moment, people can store whatever they want, mainly pictures, videos and everything online, and they can share in all their electronic devices, tablets, phones, PCs. So you can go there, find it, meet your Drive, using Drive, all the training is there. You download the Google Drive for Mac, for PC, for Android device, iPhone, and so you can have for everything. And if I click here for Mac and PC, it will take me and you will download the Drive for the Windows. You click accept and install, and you install it, and when you install it you will get what I have. I don't want to interface with this, but just click there and you get the Drive. And you can get the Drive with any, that's very important, email. You don't need to have an email just for Gmail. You can have it with your Yahoo email, you can have it your Hotmail, or your school email, or your non-school email. So, me, I have multiple personalities. I am Alexa on my Gmail Drive, and I'm Alexandra on my school Drive. And I have many other accounts, like a thief, something like a very well-known criminal. I personally did that because I wanted to have things different from my school and from my personal things. And as a DECT employee, whatever I make for the school goes to the school, but I make a lot of things in my own free time which I want to have them mine. So I started working with a Google Drive. I don't want to scare you, before 2013, but here I have organized things on Google Drive like this, so I can work it. So 2013, 2014 psychology, that was 2014 Drive for me, and I would take everything and put in a folder. But then our school became, in 2015, a Google Drive school. So now I have two drives. I have my drive and another my drive, which are the school drives. That's not the point. The point is what's happening in here. So in here you see that my drive has all these ingredients. I have shared with me functions, so my students or people are sharing with me documents, or they can share with me actually everything else they want. At the moment we are sharing documents. They share with me, for example, forms. They can share with me PDFs, PowerPoints, whatever. And I have also the others I am sharing. So in Alexa's drive, when I open it, or if I go back to my drive and I don't open it, I'll put it here. I can create, clicking on the new, create folders, upload folders, okay, or upload files. I'll try and do it here because it's useless not to do it, just so you without not doing, because you need to understand how easy it is. So I'm going to put it on this side and I'm going to upload files and folders just by click and dragging. For example, I'm going to click and drag this. A friend gave it to me so I can have some reliable biology resources for the site, and I'm upload them here. When everything is in the blue circle, you can see I can copy. You see the positive and copy here. I can copy, but it's not working. So it's uploading one item with 27 ingredients. So I can upload the whole of the folder with subfolders and everything. Just for you to see, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subfolders, and when it will finish it will have 5 subfolders and everything is in here. So we have this ability. At the same time, while it's uploading, I'm going to show you all the rest. I decided that I want to upload a picture. Second item, I've decided that I want to upload a PDF or a few PDFs. Come on. Okay. You see there it's not. You see the not allowed and the allowed button. And you see PDF format, picture format, folder format. And what I want to upload, I want to upload also an Excel document, and I want to upload a single document, a single file. So all these are uploading. Okay, it takes some time now because I make a video and I'm taking stuff, but they're waiting, and if I can cancel this because it's big, and I will try later, the others will upload very quickly, but I just want to show you how things are coming up quickly. So I'm going to retry this and I will get out while it's uploading. I'm going to do other stuff. So uploading all the rest, and now it's upload it in blink, but the other one delayed because it was huge. Okay, now I'm going to Alexa's drive and I'm going to use all this information. So you see they're already here, and I think now it's uploading. Yes, this one which is big. So I'm going to Alexa's drive now, so we know how things are uploaded. I'm going to Alexa's drive and I'm going to create or show you how I can make folders and subfolders and how I can change the colors, because I like colors and it's like color coding. So in here, in the SASTA folder, I'll open it and I will make a subfolder, new folder, which is called past trial papers, and I'm creating it. And here, if I right click on the folder, I can share it. The others, I can get a link, I can move it somewhere, or I can change color, or rename it. Change color. Come on. Yep. Or I go right click here and rename it to something like past docs. Okay, and I'm going to move documents now. I'm going to take this document and this document and this document, and I'm going to put them in here. It asks me to move it, and I move it there. Okay, so now I have a folder. In the subfolder, in my SASTA folder, I will go back to my SASTA folder, and I'm going to create some other documents. Okay, just to show you how things are working. So I'm taking my SASTA folder here. No, it wants to be there. Sorry. And I'm going to make here some documents, because I saw you how to make folders, how to make subfolders, and I saw you how to upload files and how to upload folders. And now we're going to do how to create docs, sheets, Google Slides, and forms, drawings, whatever it is there. Okay, I'm starting. Google Docs. Create and share folder. Okay, because I want you to remember I have shared this folder with the world and Alexandra, and it asks me every time if this is what I need to be maintained. So now my document is there. I can rename it by clicking there. First document to try. Okay, so I'm making it, and I'm going to use this document, I hope, tomorrow, so you can play around and see the interactiveness. So while you're working on this, I will show you how you can give this to your students, and they can work in front of you, and you can see what they're thinking, you can see the ideas, you can see how they're answering. So I'm highlighting this, and the most important thing, I'm going to share it, not with only one person. I'm going to share with the world, because I don't know your emails as yet. So instead of putting the list of the emails I would have tomorrow, I'm giving editing rights, but I'm going to advanced, and I'm giving editing rights not to specific people, but all public on the web, or anyone who has the link. So I'm going to give it with anyone who has the link. And again, because I'm going to advanced, I have to go here and click Can Edit. And I'm saving. So now I have a link. A sharing link. Okay, I'm going to share this link by either of this, or I can give it to you somewhere and we can work anywhere, on the board, on the site, anywhere we want to collaborate. Okay, I'm done. And this is the editing link, or because I have already, and you have watched how to use shortening the long addresses. Look how long is this address? Shortening the long addresses, links, apps and extensions. We go there to shorten me, or you can go to bit.ly and or URL shortener, and you get a shorter link like this. Control C, which I'm going to have ready when I'm going to discuss this with you. So because I'm creating this and I'm creating the PowerPoint, I'm going to save that now straight on my PowerPoint. So I am going to be ready. Okay, Control V, that's my document, hyperlinked already, and I need to remember something is the said Google Doc to play. Okay, so I'm going back to my drive now, and I'm done. It is already saved on my drive, and I'm going to work now with something else. I'm going to create a sheet, which is an Excel document or the equivalent, and I can have my students working on this Excel simultaneously, entering data for psychology, as I have done it. But to do that, again, I need to have the ability to share it. Let me, come on, my little internet. Oh, I have to, sorry. Something happened with my mouse here, so I have to save it. Playing with Google Sheets, saving it, and again I need to have editing rights, advanced, anyone with a link, save, done, shortening the link, Control C, I'm going and saving it. Sorry about this, but it is happening in real time, and you understand how easy it is and how really this is happening so naturally that it's not hard for anybody. The same, you can do Google Slides. Okay, I'm going to make one from it, and you can try and do whatever you want. Work with this during the presentation. I'm sorry, it's so slow because really I'm uploading. I have to cancel the upload. Okay. Sorry for the time again. I've chosen him. My memory is slow. Oops, we will skip the video. Okay, I have too many things open.
Now it's getting crazy, so I have to close this. I'm sorry. Now it's ready to say, as you see, because I don't have all these things. And PowerPoint to play, or equivalent of PowerPoint to play, presentation to play. Okay, and share or comment. Again, I have to be repetitive. Change. Anyone with a link can edit, save, done, and I can give you a comment thread, so you can start making comments if you want during the play tomorrow. And now the link is here, and I'm shortening the link. Control C. Control paste. Amazing when they don't want to, they don't. I think my computer is tired. Control C, copy, Control V, finally, and I'll write here presentation to play. So everything, it's easy, and the last I would like to create, because it has a lot of impetus, and you can always do Google Drawings, Google Maps, Lucid Chart, where it's online collaboration. I have added GeoGebra on my extension, and I can show you, if you want, how we can add them on the drive during the training. It's just an extension, you add it on your drive, or an app, you can add it to your drive. And the recent thing I would like you to do is to add the Google Forms. Now I'm going to cancel this because it takes all this time. So you will see how quicker I am now. I'm going to need it. So I will create a form. Form is like an Excel and a Word document interface, where actually it has a lot of potentiality to share with your students, do some assignments, some questions, and get immediate feedback, surveys, how they're going, test quizzes. It's great. I'm using it for my psychology. We have put it on the site for a quiz in biology. Darren has contributed that, and he will show you more. So I'm creating this permission, and I'm going to go very quickly on this, because again this video becomes huge. So it's an untitled form, and I'm going to change it form to practice. Okay, it will be not saved because I'm really sending the form to people, or give the URL and I'm embedding it and people are working with this. So you're going somewhere, you are able to create a survey. So you can choose the themes that are available. and there are many themes, the default ones, but whatever you want to choose from here. So I'm going to choose something that is my favorite, so I'll change to this. Okay, and now here you will be able to edit questions, add questions. Go ahead. So I'm editing questions. What's my first question? How do you think Google Forms can help you in your teaching? And you have to decide what kind of answer you want, and I want a multiple choice, or I can choose a text, a paragraph text, text boxes. I'll do everything. Yes, at the moment I'm choosing multiple choice, and I'm giving the options a lot. Sorry, mouse paddling. And then click to open or add another one. It's very easy, or enter. I do not know. Just enter. I will try and will let you know. Not at all. Whatever you want. Okay, and then you need to click here, require a question. Click done. I'm copying this because I'm going to use it. Control C. Done. Next one. Here it comes a confirmation. You have to show the link to submit another response, or you have to publish or allow respondents to edit the responses after submitting. Sometimes when I have a formative assessment in the class, I'm sending them the first form, and I don't have time to do another form or change things. So I'm giving them the first question, they can answer, we discuss, and I allow them to give me a second answer or edit it. So I click that. Before I send the form, I'm going to put something else. So I click add item, and this time I want a text. I'm going to put Control V, the same question, and I want a text, paragraph text. Not just a line, you see the difference? Just text, a paragraph text. Required. If I don't click required, they may skip it. Okay, and again they can change it. For example, in psychology I'm asking them a question, like a past exam question, and I want them to answer it. Some people answer it wrong, I can see it, then we discuss it in the class, and I allow them to re-answer it. Yep. And then I get what they knew, how they get it, how they get better, how they change the language every time. So I'm going to add another item, and this time I'm going to have, for example, choose from a list. The same question, Control V, and the list here can be, choose from the list, and I go option 1. It is like the survey of the OneDrive. I like using quizzes. Enter. Option 3, I like to use Nearpod. Require. Done. And now I can send the form, okay, or get a hyperlink. This though is anonymous. I want you to remember that. So in order to know the names and who has done and who has not done the work, I am going to add something more. This is the title question, name. And I can put text here. Done. And I made a mistake. The name is at the bottom. Oh, it's last. What am I doing? I'm clicking and dragging it, and I put it first. And now I made a mistake. This is not there. I want it there. That's done. So really, to have that ability, have clicked no shuffle the question order. So always they have to be the same order. Other times the name will be at the end. It's very important for you to have not shuffle the question order, because you will answer this, you will give the best questions, and you can send it back to the students as immediate feedback. You have answered this, this is the correct question. You have done this, this is what your grade is. So let me see how that will be looking like. Okay, do I like it? Yes, I like it. I can send it. Okay. They will submit. I'm going back to the offline format. I have to go back, edit this form, and I have to send it. Okay. We will discuss other stuff later. Insert. For example, I can go add, and I can insert images. Add item, and I can insert what do you think about this? Is the question, and I'm going to put here a picture. So I'm not putting anything else, no text, nothing. Okay, I'm going to add a picture. So I'm done. You see nothing else here. It won't be nothing, no text, nothing. And the next item, I want to have an image. And I can click and drag or insert by URL or search or upload. I'm going to upload a picture quickly, because the video becomes again huge. The internet is a little bit quick. Okay, so I want an image. I'm uploading the image. Okay, the image is uploaded. I can change it. I can put it in the center. I can make it smaller. Okay, done. And let me see the preview. I think it is huge, but it's okay. Yep. That's it. So I'm going up, and because now my picture is here and my other question is there, the picture has to be before the question so that people can answer here. I'm dragging it a little bit there. So I'm dragging this to the bottom because the other one is big. Come on. So I'm dragging this here. It will be done. Okay, so we drag it there, and then you can send the form. You get a URL or short URL, Control C, and it will be embedded, and it's done. So I am going to put that as well into here. Control V, form practice. Okay, so this was the majority of the things people are working on at this stage. So the form is here, the form to practice is there, and every time, whatever I'm saving, it is available for everybody because it belongs to the save folder. That's it. I hope it's not so delayed because of the internet and the time making this.